In this particular video, we're going to be trying to make $15 per one YouTube short watched. Yeah, so we are going to be following this particular process from this particular video, and it's going to be 3 steps. So listen to this 3 steps.
Step number 1, I want you to go to youtube.com and click on the Shorts tab. From there, you can find interesting videos to watch, and I want you to click on one of these videos. Step number 2, once you're on that video, I want you to watch a minimum of 20 seconds of that video. And step number 3, boom, you make money.
So, yeah, this is how much we can actually earn from this video. Listen to this again.
When you watch one YouTube Shorts video, you can earn up to $15. When you watch 10 YouTube Shorts videos, you can earn up to $150. And when you watch up to 50 YouTube Shorts videos, you can earn up to $1,500 in a day.
So this is me trying everything inside the video. We are on the short page trying to see all the trendy shorts on YouTube right now. And remember he said it's going to be 3 steps. So we are going to be going to GVids because they made Minecraft. He said we need to go to Minecraft. We need to use Minecraft video because Minecraft videos are generating a lot of views right now. So we are on this particular channel that creates a lot of Minecraft video, and we are going to be choosing their most viewed video. Yes, their best video, because this video has millions of views, and then we are going to be choosing this particular one, as you can see as I'm showing it to you. So it's going to be actually the first one. He has a lot of videos. This particular channel has a video, and we are going to be choosing this particular video with 195 billion. And all we need to do here is to copy the link. So the link is, we are going to be copying the link. Remember, it's just 3 steps, and this is like the first step of this 3 step of making this particular amount of money by watching just one YouTube video. So we are going to be copying this particular link, and then we are going to be pasting it somewhere. So for me, I'm pasting it in my editor so I can quickly grab it where I need it. And after pasting it, I just leave it open, and then we are going to move to the second step almost immediately. So now we are going to be open this next website, which is called shrink n, like shrink n. And so we are opening this particular website. You can see here as I'm opening this particular website. So this is the page of this particular website, and then you will see the most funny thing here. It says highest paying URL shorter in 2024, join now and earn up to $20,000 to up to $20 per 1,000 visits. You see that, up to $20 per 1,000 visits. So 1,000 visits is going to give you just $20. But remember, in his video, he said, you see the amount of money he said we can actually earn. I'm sure you already know where this video is going to. And of course, we have to log in. I signed up and I log in, and this is how the page of the particular website shrink, and this is how it actually look like. You can see the dashboard, the total video, total any, the referral any, the average CPM. So what we need to do right now is just for us to paste our link. This is the steps 2 of this step 3. Yeah, so we need to paste our link, and we need to generate another link from here, in the sense that any link we generate from here, this is the website which is going to be paying us all the money. Yeah, so any link which we generate from here, that is what we are going to be promoting. And remember, we are not going to be promoting this particular link by ourselves. He said in the 3rd step that we are actually going to be putting it somewhere, and this is this particular community, Planet Minecraft. This is the final step of the 3 steps. So we have to go to Planet Minecraft, and of course we have to register. As always, you can see the login and sign up. Of course, we have to register, and after registering, we have to look for this particular community that has a lot of views, that many people are actually commenting on them. So this is me trying to look for the best one. So I finally decided to pick one particular one just to see. As I say, we just need to pick the one that has a lot of views, that people are really engaging with, the one that people are really posting on. And what we need to do is for us to just write a little caption and then put our link in the caption. So this is me writing, hey, I found this interesting Minecraft video, and then I just posted my link there. So I'm going to be repeating it on some other community on this particular website, also on some other community, and then see how many views I'm going to get from there. Remember, the views we get from this particular link, which we got from Shrink, and this is what we are going to be getting the money from. So this is me copying the link from Shrink, and then I am pasting it on this particular community. And what I'm just going to do is just click on post reply. I'm going to copy this particular statement just to repeat it, and then it says here that my comment needs to be approved. So we are going to be waiting for the comments to be approved. So I've already copied the same thing, so I am going to be pasting this on another community. So I'm going to be searching for the one that has a lot of engagement as usual, and then I am going to be pasting it. So I've gotten one, so I'm just going to paste the same caption. There was a mistake there, I'm trying to correct it here. So I'm going to paste in the same caption, and I'm going to be posting my reply just like it said. So we are trying to make this money, right? You know, this money is quite important. So after doing that, and here comes another problem. You see, if you check top, you see that I was logged out for some reason. I don't know. I tried to log in again using my Google account, which I actually uses to sign up. It refused me. I couldn't log in again. I tried several times. I couldn't log in again. So I went to Shrink and I just tried to see, okay, has anybody viewed it? I've already viewed it in the community. And also he said that we can post it on our social media platform, on Facebook or whatever. So I decided to post on this social media platform, posted on Twitter, posted on Facebook to see how many views it's going to get. I also opened the link myself. I shared it with some friends, and everybody opens the link, and it keeps saying total views 0. I don't know, the views didn't change, so we are not making any money. The views, it keeps saying, even with all the clicks it has, the link actually had, it keeps saying total view is 0. So at the end of the day, I ended up with 0 balance, 0 withdrawal, and 0 total withdrawals. So this is me after I've tried every day. You see that it doesn't seem to have worked. It doesn't seem to have worked. So I'm trying to do this just to be able to give students, or just to be able to bring something for students which might like to support themselves, while they are studying, at least to be able to earn 1 or 2 online. Of course, while I was studying, I was able to earn online by rating adverts, Instagram adverts, and I was earning up to 100 and something dollars per week. Yep. But actually, this contract was actually later stopped, and then we couldn't continue that. So this is why I'm embarking on this journey to try to test some videos which are seen online for you, then be able to give you a result, and then you can actually find out yourself if this worked and if this doesn't work. So that's all. Until I catch you while we are testing the next one, and hopefully we are going to get a better result next time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.